Hey guys, it's Kerima and welcome back to another video. We're gonna jump right into the mess that I call my life, but we're gonna handle it. This is actually an after work cleaning routine. I had just got home from work, so I'm gonna hop in the shower, put on something comfortable, and jump right into the cleaning. So we are starting out in the bedroom, as you can see, and putting this laundry away. I've been doing a really good job keeping up with the laundry, keeping up with my laundry, the kids' laundry, and just regular house stuff like towels and sheets. But putting it away is like a whole nother ball game. I haven't fully gotten there yet. So there's about 3 baskets of laundry in my bedroom. So I'm going to take care of some of that right now. So I wanted to share this because I feel like it's very relatable. My weight has been fluctuating a lot lately. You guys know I love to work out and I try my hardest to stay fit. But what I've learned about myself as I've gotten older is I'm also an emotional eater. So when I'm feeling stressed or I'm going through things, I like to snack. And snacking at this point in my life puts weight on quickly. So every now and again, I try on clothes I haven't worn in a while just to see if it still fits. So I want to introduce myself to those of you who may be new here and watching my video for the first time. Again, my name is Kerima and I am a working mama of 2, navigating this new solo life that I'm living. We'll talk more about that at another time. But I'm originally from New York and I'm a transplant now in Dallas, Texas. And we like it here, so we'll probably be here for a while. I enjoy watching cleaning motivation videos and I enjoy making them. So if you're into videos like that, please consider subscribing. I also I like to share moments of my life with you guys. So I hope you subscribe.
The feeling lingers on every day of every month, wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on. Oh baby, don't think that I'll ever forgive myself for losing you, or for losing you. Left our love up on those dusty shelves. Can't forgive myself for losing you. Not that we were cruel enough to do it. Now I feel so stupid. Don't you feel that too? The feeling lingers on every day of every month, wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones.
My room wasn't actually that messy. Most of the mess was laundry, but I was grateful that it was clean laundry that I just needed to put away. As you can see, I got through 2 baskets of laundry, so I was proud of myself. But that was what most of the mess was. Yeah, of course, I need to straighten up my bed and kind of clear off some of my tabletops, but I've been doing a better job keeping my room together as well.
You say all the right things when I'm hurting. You always pick me up when I am down. It's like you have a spark that leaves me burning. Yeah, you just have your ways to get me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right when I'm around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. You touch me in a way that makes me shiver. Sometimes I can't believe that you are mine. Love's gonna be beyond my trigger. You kiss me in a way that gets me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right just being around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. Ooh. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been.
this video was just a straightening up of the room, kind of clearing everything off. I didn't do a deep clean, but a deep clean of the bedroom is coming soon. I guess like a fall deep cleaning. But yes, I was just straightening everything up. I had a lot of hair products on my computer table because I did Chloe's hair. You guys will see that in the next video. And boy, is that a chore. She's got some beautiful hair, but it takes me out. I have to dedicate a day to doing that child's hair. So I just spent this time after work just straightening up my bedroom, and that's what I try to do on a daily basis or as often as I possibly can. I just pick an area and straighten up because, you know, me and those two kids, we're some messy people.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky. It's what we do.
So your niece has been doing a lot of baking lately. So of course I have to include that in the video. She's a big girl. This is my daughter Chloe. She's 12 and she does her own thing. So she's not on camera as much as Kingston because she's not up under me anymore like her little brother. So her cameos will mostly be in cooking scenes because my daughter loves to bake.
What you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do.
So she insisted on making some walnut chocolate chip cookies from scratch. I was okay with getting cookie dough, but she really enjoys making things from scratch and they were delicious, so I'm not complaining. And I love that she enjoys baking because I do not enjoy baking. Even though I do not need to be eating all these snacks, it is nice to have every once in a while.
You are, and you will like me just the way I am, and I will like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh, keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them?
So guys, this is the end of the video. I want to say thank you so much for watching and always supporting my channel, even when I have my mini disappearing acts. But I plan on doing much better with that. I plan on being very consistent, at least one video a week for now until I can do more. And of course, I'm going to show you guys the end result of these cookies. It's coming up real soon, so don't worry about it. But I want to say thank you to my old supporters for the continued support, and thank you to all of the new subscribers to come. I appreciate you guys, and I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.